Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Let me see guys where we are. Give me a few minutes. This is a Friday class, right? This is Sunday class, okay. Okay. Hey, how was it polynomials? How was the polynomials is what you did as homework, right?
Yes.
Okay,
It
but
was
we
kind
didn't
of easy.
remember we skipped cubic and we also skipped something else we skipped, right? We skipped cubic and we skipped inverses, compositions on cubic and cube root. Okay. I know. Okay. Abhiram, what is going on at your school, Abhiram?
Yeah, sorry, I had to go get some food. So what we're learning, uh, we're about to take our Unit 5 text test, on Thursday, and you're gonna ask me like what we're learning in, Unit 5.
Yeah, you keep telling. Yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
In Unit 5, hold on, we're learning about writing quadratic equations.
Oh, that
Yeah,
should be easy, right?
yeah, it's easy.
Okay, but
It's
I'm going to switch
yeah.
to cubic so that you can learn something more. Aryan, what are you doing in school? Aryan?
Auntie, we have a test tomorrow on like imaginary numbers and like all aspects of quadratics.
Then it's easy for you. Can I assume that?
Yeah, it's not that hard. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, how about you, Pranav, Navya, and Sanjana? Yukti, Harika, Harshika.
Uh, but Tuesday I have a test over polynomials.
Oh, okay. Navya, Sanjana?
It's like quadratics and imaginary numbers.
Okay. Have they come to cubic or polynomials, ma? No, not yet. Or
No.
oh, then you're good, right?
Mhm.
But are you needing help with quadratics because you did not come in when we discussed quadratics much, right? Or were you there?
Uh, I don't think so, but I know it, so it's okay.
How about you, Sanjana? Are you needing help?
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. If you need anything, if you have to bring those problems to class, then I'll know what you really need. How about you, Ananjay? What are they doing?
In our class, we're still doing like um quadratics and stuff
Okay,
and
you
rate
want
and rate of change. So it's basically just a review of algebra 1 and pre-algebra.
then it's easy for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever we learn here is new to you, correct?
Somewhat, but we're not, but I know some of it from like outside school.
Oh, I see. I see. I see. Are you able to use what we are doing then at school?
Oh, we're not there yet, honestly.
Oh, you know,
So,
okay. So you are yet to discuss these polynomials, cubic functions, and all you're saying, right? Okay.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see. How about this?
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
this is Chetan. We're doing cubic functions and everything, and we're reviewing on Thursday. We're reviewing on Monday, and we have our unit test on Wednesday.
Cubic functions and cube root functions, you mean, Chetan?
Yeah, and and behavior transformations, basically all in cubic functions.
Yeah, I hear you. Okay. So you're going to have a test on polynomial. I really need something from Arush. Arush, you have the test on polynomials, right?
Yeah, dividing polynomials.
Dividing polynomial. Okay. Okay. So we did till multiplication last week, right? Let's see. Okay. Chetan, I would be going back to cubic, cube root, transformations, or whatever you're asking now after a week, okay, and behavior of polynomials. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now let's see this one, guys. Whenever we had roots of quadratic equation, let me go ahead. Erase this. My recording. Yes. Okay. Whenever we had roots of quadratics, right? Roots of quadratic means when it was a parabola, this the equation was y equal to x square, right? What was the root here? The roots were the x-intercepts, right? X-intercepts were the points where the graph cut the x-axis. Now, coming to a polynomial, till last week, right? We did discuss till multiplication. No, 82. Okay. Okay, so we did not factor it. Okay. But we did discuss factoring of quadratics when we did factoring of quadratics. Now that we have discussed polynomials, right? We are not limited to only the highest power as 2. Suppose if you have this polynomial, this is a polynomial. How am I going to factorize it? You all know how to factorize a quadratic, right? Here, you can sometimes group terms and then try to factorize. Between these two, I can take x square as common. Then you have x plus 1. Here, you as is have x plus 1. I can rewrite it as 1 times x plus 1. When you consider these two terms, this we have done it in quadratics. Now we are doing it in polynomials. Here, I do see x plus 1 common. I take that out as common. What is inside? X squared and then the plus 1. Any questions till now? Any questions, guys? Harshika and Pranav, you didn't update me, but what are you doing in school, Harshika?
We're doing writing equations on parabolic equations, like writing equations of parabolas.
Okay, and Pranav, you?
I told you I'm taking a test on Tuesday over polynomials. I already know
Sorry,
this is.
Pranav. Okay, I got it. Okay, I mistook with Arush. Now, can I go ahead and ask you this? How about this? Suppose if I have this, would you be able to factorize by yourself or you need help? You can group terms, take out common, and then factorize. Yukti, you as well, what are you doing?
I'm in Arush's class, so same thing.
Yeah, okay, taken. So now, let's try this one. Will you be able to factorize and put it as product of terms?
I don't know how to do that.
Product of terms.
Okay, let's see. Okay, how about this? Suppose if I have this Ashrita, x square plus 4x plus 4. How do you factorize it, Ashrita?
First, you have to do the x puzzle,
Mm-hmm.
and then you get
How do you do it? I don't know if you'll remember.
x squared plus 2x plus
2x plus 2x, right?
Plus 4.
Now you group these two, you take x as common, then you have x plus 2, then you have 2 as common, then you have x plus 2. Between these two terms, you take out x plus 2 is common. What is left over is x plus 2. Now, this was a polynomial. No doubt this is a polynomial. Even if it's a quadratic, it's a polynomial. This polynomial had terms separated by pluses, correct? It was a polynomial. I expressed it as a product of linear factors. Product of factors. These were the factors. These are linear, right? Product of linear factors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you factorized a polynomial into product of two factors, right? Like that, I'm asking you to express this polynomial as a product of factors. In these cases, right? Now it's no longer a quadratic. We are not limited to a quadratic equation. We can go polynomial x power of 3, x power of 4, anything we can go. But again, how to factorize it? Same logic all apply. You can either take out commons. Taking out common is the only way here. So when you take that as common, now what to take out as common between these two?
X cubed.
X cube I can take it out as common. What is left over is x plus 1 for the first two terms. But the the last and the penultimate terms are x plus 1. So I just rewrite them as plus 1 times x plus 1. Now with all this, here what is common? X plus 1 is common to both. Take it out. And then what are you left with?
X cubed plus 1.
Yep. So that is can I say that as the factorized form?
So you don't have to do the multiply thing, like put the x and the numbers.
Where, ma?
Like on the other one, you did instead of plus 4x, you did plus 2x plus 2x,
And
Correct.
you don't have to do that for the other ones?
You don't have to do that. Here you've already expressed as a product of factors, correct?
Yes.
Have we expressed it as a product of factors?
Yes.
Yes. So we can stop here, but this one, right? This one, right? Like you all know in algebra 2, we studied a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? A minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This we studied. Similarly, a square minus b square, difference of squares can be written as, if there is a difference of square, I can write it out as factors, product of factors. A plus b, a minus b, right? Now, coming to algebra 2, I really want you to be able to remember a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube. I want you to be able to say. Make sense? Does that make sense? Meaning all the four you need to by heart the rules. A plus b the whole cube will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. A minus b the whole cube will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Alternatingly plus and minus. A cube minus b cube will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube will be a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay. To be okay, let me, I have to tell you how I got it, right? I cannot just like that give you, hey, this is what it is, memorized. That's not what we are. So you cannot go with that, but I'll show you how I got this. A plus b the whole cube is a plus b times a plus b times a plus b, right? It's just multiplication when you think about it. This becomes a plus b the whole square. From here I can copy a square plus b square plus 2ab for these two. This I again multiply with a plus b. When I multiply a cube plus b square a plus 2a square b plus ba square plus b cube plus 2b square a. Do you see that? Now a cube, b cube is there. A cube, b cube is there. When you think about it, this b square a can be combined with this 2b square a. So a cube plus 3b square a, and again I can combine this with this, plus 3a square b plus b cube. This is what I have written it here. Any questions? Rather than making you go through this every single time when you come across a plus b the whole cube, these are all so important that they come in everywhere, come everywhere and anywhere. So you need to by heart this. A plus b the whole cube will be equal to this formula, a minus b the whole cube. If you do a minus b minus b minus b and multiply, sit and multiply and see, you will exactly get this. Make sense? Now, a cube, this is difference of cubes. Like the difference of squares, this is difference of cubes. When you multiply these two, methodically using FOIL, if you multiply, you will get a cube minus b cube. Similarly, a cube plus b cube will be a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. This you have to remember. Does that make sense? Now, having said that, right, guys, is this simplifiable? Is this simplifiable? Is this simplifiable?
Yes.
How?
X plus 1 whole cube.
This is x plus 1, okay? But this is, what is this?
X plus 1 the whole cube.
Not really, right? See, a plus b the whole square is not the same as a square plus b square, right?
But one cube isn't that the same thing?
Yeah, so this is a cube plus b cube, right? This separately is a cube plus b cube, right? This can be written in this format, right? Am I making sense?
Oh,
Am I making sense? Hey, Arush, Ananjay, am I making sense? Abhiram, Navneet, am I making
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
wait, so
So,
if it was a different number, like instead of 1, if it was x cubed plus 2, could you still do it? Or would it
plus
not work?
8, I can still do it. If it is 8, I can still do it because 8 is 2 cube. However, if it is 2, I can't do it. You know what? This is the most simplified form, and this polynomial, basically this is a polynomial, right? Even though it's small, I will say this is an irreducible polynomial. Make sense?
Yes.
But here it is not, it is a reducible polynomial because it was 1, right? I can write that out as this. I'll copy it here. For this one, instead of this one, I have to properly write it in this format, x plus 1. And then x square minus ab means x times 1 plus. Now this is an irreducible polynomial. You cannot reduce this. See, now you have expressed as factors, product of factors. Do you see? When we were doing this x square plus 4x plus 4, when we split it out into x plus 2 times x plus 2, we did a quadratic factoring. We factored out this quadratic into product of linear factors. Here same thing we are doing, okay, but this was only power 2. Here any power can be given. We should be able to express it as product of irreducible polynomials. Make sense? Okay. Now, please, maybe you need to copy this down and memorize. I don't have any other go. Every time you cannot be doing this multiplying. Having come through algebra 2, I really, even in your sleep, see, algebra 1 classes, I used to tell when we discussed quadratics, you have to, even in your sleep, these three should get out of your mouth. Now, in algebra 2, you don't have to sit and calculate. Once or twice you sit and calculate and see whether you're writing the correct formula. But after that, you need to memorize this and should be able to tell it in your sleep. Because every time and any time you'll come across these. A cube plus B cube, A cube minus B cube, all this you'll come across. Can I go ahead and give you one more? Let's see how do we factorize. Otherwise, I'll bring down to a little bit. Let's see. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. Can you factorize this into product of smaller factors? If you don't get it, it's absolutely fine. Keep me posted. We want to factorize well. Then we'll go to multiplication and division. We know multiplication. I'm sorry. We'll go to division.
We're trying to simplify this, right?
Yeah. Meaning you're factorizing it. But I think you need a little more practice than what I expected. So let me quickly check how can I help you with more factorizing. You want to take it? I didn't print it out. Wait, I'm in a class, right? Let me see. You want to do it now? That you don't have to know now. I will tell you. How it's Check the answers, guys. Still, okay, I'll help you, Ma. That's what I'm seeing. Some of you really need help, I feel.
Up
I'll
or
help.
down?
Printed. Shit.
Yeah, but should I go up or down?
Okay, guys, I think I'll revise a little bit more, I feel. I didn't see. Pranav, that's not correct, right?
I
Okay.
haven't said my answer yet.
Okay, okay. So, guys, no. Oh, yeah, Sahana, you got it. Okay, guys, I'll help you, guys. I feel like a lot of you need more help. I'll go over it. Yeah. I'm clearly seeing you all need help. That's fine, guys. No problem at all. So let me go. Let me drill down a little bit. Abhiram, are you able to do?
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So basically, what we
Wait,
were doing, we were
excuse
given.
me.
Yeah.
Is this
So
right?
I can check. Ananjay, 1 minute.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, that's correct. Good job.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, we'll do one by one. Okay, we'll go take it slow. What I'm saying, let's do another problem and come back to this problem. At that time, I'm expecting that you should be able to do it by yourself. Let's say. Okay, what I'm saying, let's take this. Let's take this problem. This is an easier problem. Okay. How am I going to factorize this? This is a polynomial, right? When you look at it, y square is common. Taking out common is one strategy. Okay, take out y square as common. What you're left with is y plus 9. So, this polynomial y cube plus 9y square can be written as y square times y plus 9. This is the factored form. Any questions on that? This is the polynomial. Sanjana, are you with me? Polynomial is factored into product of factors. See, this is the product of factors. Make sense? Sanjana, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see. I'm going to do one another. I'll come back to that same question. Don't worry at all. How about this? How about this? I'm going to do, okay, 5, 6 problems I will do, then ask you to do. Now, when I look at it, A is common, right? Pull it out. Now, what I'm left with? 4a square minus 49. How am I to factorize this? Any thoughts, guys? This is not simplified. 4a square minus 49, is it simplified form? How can we
No,
factorize
you can
this?
square it.
Yes, the
Square root it.
difference of squares. Both terms are squares. Did it come? Both terms are squares, right?
Yeah.
So how can I? What is A and what is B? This is A square minus B square. So what is A? A is 2A. B is 7. B is 7.
Exactly. Rylan.
2A and 7, right? Now, how can I split this? You know the formula for this, right? I'll put A in here. A square minus B square can be split as A plus B times A minus B, right? 2A
Yeah.
plus 7, 2A minus 7. Any questions on that?
No.
Others, any questions on that? Okay. Now, let me see. How about this? Yeah, this is a good one. If you're given this, what would you do? Do you see something good?
You'd take
Do you?
out GCF. You'd take out 5.
Yeah, take out 5. Nice. Take out GCF. Yes, take out 5. What are you left with? X cube minus 8y cube. Do you see something that can be factored? This is the difference of
Q.
cubes. So difference of cubes is a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b, a square plus ab plus b squared. So difference of cube can be written as that means what is a, what is b here?
A
E
is
is X. I'll write it down. Till I become comfortable, I will always write it down. Doesn't matter. 2y. Now, let me plug it in. X minus 2y. Then a square is x square. AB is 2xy. B square is 4y square. Makes sense, guys?
Yes.
So this is how I factorize it. Now let me go ahead and give you more. How about, okay, now it should be pretty quicker for you because I'm coming to quadratics. I'll solve some in quadratics. Then we'll go a little bit deeper into polynomials. Go ahead and factorize this. You're going to factorize and tell me this. This one is quadratic equation. Guys, are you able to do? Please feel free to let me know if you're needing help. Aryan, placement of the parenthesis is so confusing, Aryan. Thank you. Really appreciate it. That's correct, Aryan. Arush, correct, Arush. Sanjana, was that for this, ma? The answer that you've given?
No, that was the other one. I didn't send in my answer yet.
Okay, okay. Ashita, correct, ma? Pranav, Pranav, not really Pranav. How did you get that? Pranav, you want to explain?
Is it A plus 8?
No, Pranav. I will help. I will do it on the board. Sricharan, where did you get the 2 root of a plus 2? What is all that? It's not that hard. Honestly, it's not that hard. Sricharan, can I help you? How did you do that? You took 4 common?
Oh yeah, and then I just squared it.
And then what did you do? If I take 4 common, it becomes 4a plus 4, right? Then what did you do with this?
Took the square root.
Why do you take the square? See, this is quadratic factoring. This is a square term. This is a square term. Then the entire is some square.
Oh,
When you look at the
A plus
term,
2 squared.
a plus
2 squared.
2 the whole square. Entire thing is a square term. So 4 times a plus 2 the whole square. Sanjana, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Navya?
I got it.
Okay, good, good. Okay, well. Okay, now let me give you this. I'll give you more practice on this, I feel, but I also want to do division. Let's see. How about this? Will you be able to factorize this? Yukti, you're following, ma? Okay.
Yeah.
How about this? 9 minus x minus y the whole square? Okay, ma. Arus is correct.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I'm a bit confused. Is this not already factored?
Not really, because when you look at it, it is not really factored. Factored means what, Mayukti? It should be the product of this is a number, this is a number. Product of the numbers is the factored form, correct?
Uh-huh.
But here, where is the product? Everything is separated by pluses and minuses. You see it?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but I'm glad
Okay.
you asked that.
Hmm?
Go ahead. I can help whoever is getting stuck. I can help. Please feel free to ask in chat. That's absolutely fine. Pranav. No, Pranav. What is that, Pranav? Pranav, somewhere something is wrong, Pranav. Sahana, you got it, ma. Navya, you got it, ma.
You printed it.
Slowly, you will all get it. Okay, I'm looking at that.
Printed it twice.
Sanjana, you got it. Good.
Up or down?
Navneet, not really Navneet. Okay, I don't know where are we missing. I'm going to help.
Or down?
நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. Review பண்ணிட்டு வா. 30-minute time. Navneet. Okay. Navneet, did you expand x minus y the whole square? Did you expand x minus y the whole square, Navneet?
Yeah.
But that's not what we want to do, right? We want to express it as product of factors. You see what I mean? I'm not going to expand or condense this, but I want to express it as product of factors. Now, Abhiram or Ananjay, one of you did not answer yet, right?
Yeah, I didn't.
I answered. Did you not get it?
Yeah, I am checking. I just saw your answer come through. Wait, ma. Ashrita.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused about how to do this.
Okay. I'll help. Abhiram, you got it, but there is a mistake. Okay, I'll help you. I'll help on
Auntie,
that.
can you also help me on this one? I'm a little bit.
Yeah, sure. See, now at least half of you are coming through. Let's see. 9 minus x minus y, the whole square, right? As soon as you look at this, what do you look at it? How do you look at it? Can I look at something like difference of squares, difference of cubes? Can I make my job easy? Yes, I can. You see, this is a square, this is a square. So what is this basically? This is difference of squares, right? So can I write this as a square minus b square? What is a and b here? A is 3, b is x minus y. What happens here? 3 square minus x minus y the whole square, right? So what is a square minus b square? How do you factorize a square minus b square? It's written as a plus b times a minus b. A plus b. This is b. A plus b times a minus b. Am I making sense?
Yes.
That is 3 plus x minus y. Aryan did not get it. Where you did not get it, Aryan?
So, I understand all the way until the part where you said a is equal to 3 and b is equal to x minus y. But then after that, I don't understand why you did 3 plus x minus y and then 3
Because
minus
a
x.
square minus b square can be written as a plus b times a minus b,
A
right?
minus. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense.
So a plus b is written here, a minus b is written here.
Okay, got it.
Others who didn't get it yet. So when you write this minus, you need to be careful because the second term has two terms inside, right? So the minus has to be distributed. Can I go ahead and give more, do more? Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. Let's see. I'm glad we discussed that. I thought this will go through quickly, but that's absolutely fine not to go through quickly. Let's see. How about this? You think you can handle this? Let's see. For any factorization in polynomials, you should be able to do. How about this? I'll only target this and a little bit on polynomial division. Are you able to see something in there? 100 itself tells me it's a square term. So what can I do about it? How to express it in factored form? Factored form means expressing it as product. Oh, Arush, you got it, I think, Arush. Take your time, but try to get it, guys, so that you don't have to study the same thing outside of this class.
Miss Priya.
Ashita,
Yeah.
Just
Yeah,
quick.
I was. I
You
couldn't
got it?
put the
Okay,
ending.
okay. But you got the concept though. Nice.
No, I wrote down the right answer. I was typing it and I typed in an extra.
No worries, ma. Sanjana, correct, ma. You're getting it now, Sanjana?
Yes.
Good to know. Harshika, correct, ma. Pranav, Pranav, I'm not able to understand what you have done. Not really, Pranav. What did you do?
Make it corrector. Correct.
No. I don't think it's correct, but maybe that I'm missing something. What have you written? Can you explain to me? Navneet, correct.
A plus B squared minus 10 squared in parentheses and A plus B squared.
Okay, A plus B square in parenthesis minus 10 square. What did you do about that?
I put that in parentheses and then multiplied it plus 10 squared.
But this is difference of squares, right? A square minus B square, right?
Yeah.
So how will you write it as product? A plus B times A minus B, right?
Yeah.
So what should I write instead of A plus B, right? Instead of B, I'll write a 10, right?
Yeah. Oh, I put the
A plus
square.
minus 10. So this is the answer. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see. How about maybe this one? This one is a nice one. Let's see. I'll send this. How about this? Abhiram got it. Okay. Giti got it. Sahana got it. Okay, nice. How about this? It just makes you think in different ways. 64 y factorizing polynomials is a big thing. Y power of 4 plus y. It's a good one though. Let's see. Arush. But that can be factored again, right, Arush? It's not in simplified form, right?
Yeah, I forgot like the actual thing.
Formula you should have written down.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, correct, ma, Sahana. Yes, ma.
So, for the formula, I don't know if I'm doing the wrong thing, but is there a formula for a squared plus b squared?
Oh, is it a square plus b square? I don't think it is a square plus b square, right, Yukti? Ananjay, Ananjay, is that right, Ananjay? I feel that's not right, Ananjay. Let me check because if you take y as common, what you're
no, I
ending up
see
with
what I did, I think.
64y cube plus 1. When I look at this both terms, right, both are cubes. Is it okay?
Then, like, how would you get that? Like, well, that's 4y cubed and that's 1 cubed. So would it not just be, but it can't just be adding them because then you'd end up with a bunch of common terms. So would it not just be 4y plus 1 times 4y minus 1? Oh, wait. 4y plus 1 into 4y minus 1 into 4y minus 1 again? So like square it.
Okay. Okay. A square minus B square, yes, it is A plus B times A minus B is correct. Okay. Now, here, similarly, A cube minus B cube is different. A minus B times A square minus A plus AB plus B square. Similarly, A cube plus B cube is A plus B times A square minus AB plus
Plus-
B square. So,
Yeah, I kind of forgot that we had to use these in this
yeah,
case. Sorry.
this one, no problem at all. As long as you understand and go out of the class, it's enough. So, y times this is a cube. A cube is 4y. I'm sorry, a is 4y, b is 1. So, I can write this out as y times 4y plus 1 instead of this. Instead of this, I will write it down as 16y square minus 4y plus 1. Any questions?
16y
No,
squared.
I got it now.
Did I make a mistake?
Thank you.
What? Is it 16y squared or is 16y?
A square, right, ma? A square
Oh,
is
I thought
16.
A was 4y.
Yeah. So A square is? A is 4y. A square is what, Sri Charan? No,
16y.
16y square, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. Can we move on?
Yes.
Now, let's see. If we do more, we'll be fine. How about, I don't want to give you quadratic expressions that you can do it at home. Oh, this is a good one, but that's a hard one. Okay, how about this? Let's try doing this. I don't even know whether it's simplifiable. Okay, let's see. I don't even know whether this is simplifiable. As soon as I look at it, I don't have any thoughts. How about this? Do you think you can handle this? You will think it out loud. I will do it. Go ahead. Hmm. Shall we try that one, guys? You want to try or you want me to try? What do you want to do? Please tell me.
Can you try?
Can we try?
Yeah. Oh, you want to try? Okay, go ahead. I, honestly, as soon as I say I don't have any thoughts, excluding taking excess common, that gives you. But I think it becomes a quadratic equation after this, quadratic function after quadratic expression after this. You can even use quadratic formula, worst case. Worst case, you can even use quadratic formula to factorize and see. If it cannot be factored, then you have to write it that this is your simplified format of factoring. But I'll tell you it can be factored. 20 times 12. What is 20 times 12? 240. 240. So it's 240. $31 now. Oh yeah, it's easily factorizable, guys. Okay, you go ahead and do this.
Can you check if it's right?
What is it?
Like, can you check if mine's right?
Oh yeah, absolutely, ma. Really?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to do one step.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Something doesn't feel right, Arush, in your answers.
Yeah, I forgot like one thing.
No problem. Take your time. Yeah, Pranav, your last answer was okay, but yeah, I'll wait on this one? Yeah, you got it, Abhiram. Correct, Abhiram. Guys, I would like to do division of polynomials. Let me see what I started with factoring and ended up somewhere else with the. Yeah, I want to show you dividing polynomials using two methods. Let's see. Let's see how far we are successful. See, some factoring I have introduced, but we'll continue factoring of polynomials next week as well. I don't think this is enough at all. However they give, we should be able to factorize. Arush, that is correct, Arush. Navya, correct, ma. Sahana, correct. Sahana, this is coming out very easy, right? This class?
Kinda.
Kinda. Yukti, why 5 by 4, ma? That doesn't seem right to me. How did you get that? Oh, I know what you did. Did you use quadratic formula?
Yeah, I got a bit
I
confused.
know. That's why you got the incorrect answer. But you did not plug it in correctly, lady.
Oh.
Okay. So you got 5 by 4 as answer. Okay. I'll tell you why. You got x equal to 5 by 4, x equal to 4 by 3. You just plugged it in there, right? That's not going to help you. Okay. If x equal to 5 by 4, when you express it as a factor, x minus 5 by 4 is 0, correct? Okay. Wait. X equal to 5 by 4 means, what can you say? 4x equal to 5. Subtract 5 on both sides. 4x minus 5 equal to 0, correct? This is what you should plug it in there.
Oh, because you still have to put the x at the end, right?
You
Oh,
got
okay,
it.
I see.
Similarly, x equal to 4 by 3 means 3x equal to 4. 3x minus 4 will be equal to 0. So this is what you need to put it in there. Got it? Yeah, I told
Yeah.
you to make your job easy. But when you make your job easy, you have to do the right thing. Yeah, factoring polynomials is one. Yeah, Ashrita correct. Harshika correct, ma. Pranav correct. Navneet correct. Anybody needing help?
I don't really get it.
Oh, I don't really get it.
Okay. So I'll do then. So my way of doing this was, okay, one is I saw Yukti doing quadratic formula to factorize this. She had done quadratic formula. But left to me, what I did was, I found out the product of 20 times 12, 240, right? 240, I factorized and so, meaning I turned my prime factoring tree, okay, 120, 260, and then when you think about it, 230, 215, then I have 350. So these were the factors, right? Now, these factors, I have to have two different factors in such a way that the difference is minus 31. So when I look at this, right, 2 2s are 4, 4s are 8, it is a 16 and 15 is adding up to a 31. But there is a minus 31. So I inserted this and started it out like this. 12x square minus 16x minus 15x plus 20. You see? Now, in this set, I chose 4x common, 3x minus 4. In this set, I chose 5 common, right? So, minus 5 common. I took it out, so that became 3x minus 4. With all this,
Wait, so we could just have used like normal factoring because I was trying to find an algebraic way to do it. But that's
yeah,
like
normal
different things.
factoring works, right?
Oh,
Because see, it
yeah.
became a quadratic expression means then you can have
Yeah, I
normal
know.
factoring.
All right, thank you. Sorry.
4x minus 5, 3x minus 4.
All right,
Once
thank
it becomes quadratics, then it's easy. You all are used to. But so
you.
try to bring it to a quadratic expression.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, I know that we are not yet 100% there, but still it's okay. We know the concept of factoring now. I would really like to discuss this one. Okay. There are two ways. Division of polynomials, right? Meaning, remember guys, if we do 7 divided by 2, right? How can I write out 7 divided by 2? I can write this out as 3 plus 1 by 2, correct? Means what? How did I do this? 7 I divided by 2. Then this one is easy, basic division, right? 6. Remainder was 1. So what did I do? This was my quotient plus, what is this? Remainder by divisor, right? That's what I did for my dividend, right? This holds good even if it is polynomials. Okay, if you understand that, things will become very easy. Meaning, just this basic concept of division of two numbers, right, where you wrote quotient plus remainder by divisor will be equal to the dividend, holds good even with polynomials. Let's go ahead and try finding this. Okay, suppose you're given a polynomial. I give this 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. If you're asked to find out what is p of minus 2, how will you find out what is p of minus 2? What do you do to find out p of minus 2?
You plug in x as minus 2.
Yep, you
Substitute.
plug in x equal to minus 2 and find the value. That's fine. Now, let's say I want to divide this. Let's see. Oh, let's go ahead and divide this. I don't want to do this right now. I want to divide proper polynomials. Wait, let me see. Okay, simple ones. Let's take another simple polynomial, meaning I don't want to go with big polynomials and divide straight off, but I'll come back. Here, let's see this one. 2x cubed plus 5x square minus x plus 7. I really want to divide it with x minus 2, meaning 2x cubed plus 5x square minus x plus 7. I want to divide this. Both are basically polynomials, right? It's a binomial, this is a polynomial. How to do this? I'm going to put it the long division way. Then I'll show you a very short way, which is very easy. But this one you have to do, okay? There's no way you can say, oh, I'll do the shortcut way. This one, x minus 2. Now, guys, like our ordinary division, I'll go ahead and check. X goes in this how many times? X times what is 2x cubed? X times what is 2x cubed? Can I put a 2x square here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but before I move on, right, your dividend, right, whatever is inside this, right, please make sure all the powers of x are present. Starts with a 3, goes to a 2, goes to a 1, this goes to a x power 0. So it has to be in the descending powers of x and every power should be present. If suppose you have your polynomial like this, okay, you're dividing by x minus 2. This won't work, guys. Please make sure power 3 is there. Power 2 is not there. So, please rewrite it as 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 5x plus 7. If you forget to rewrite, your polynomial division will go for a task. So, make sure you write that. Now, we are only considering a very simple example. This is our first shot at it. So, I have taken a nice polynomial that can be divided. Now, x times what is this? I verified and put x square there. Now, the next thing what I'll do is I'll multiply this with this ordinary multiplication. 2x cubed minus 4x square. Any questions still here? Again, what is my division methodology? Subtract both, right? Subtract both means this will get cancelled. This will become a plus, right? So I have 9x square. Now the next step would be to
How did you get minus 4x squared?
see. Okay. In division, right? What do I do? 2 3s are 6 and then I subtract 7 minus 6 is 1, right? Same subtraction here. Polynomial subtraction we have done. You remember 2x cubed plus 5x squared. 2x cubed plus 5x squared. Subtract 2x cubed minus 4x squared. What do I do? 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared. You see what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
So, how do I do it? I can't write this every time like this, right? The best way is, when you're subtracting, right? If you want to subtract the polynomials, right? What I do, I just change their signs, minus and plus for the one that comes underneath. For the one that comes underneath, right?
Yeah.
I just write it like that. And then add both. That is easier. Add both means these both get cancelled because 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Here that becomes 9x squared. Now bring down minus x. 1 by 1 only you have to bring down, right? Digit by digit you bring down, right? If it's 71, you bring down 1 first. And after that 2 means if you bring down. So 1 by 1 you need to bring down. Now, again I do the same thing. How many? X times what is 9x squared? X times 9x is 9x square, right? Minus 18x. Any questions, guys? This, I'm multiplying with this. Are you all with me? Now, again, you subtract. When I subtract, the lower one will change signs, right? So this gets cancelled. Then I add. This is 17x plus 7. What happens now? X times, what is 17x? Plus 17. That gives you 17x minus 34. Again, you subtract by changing the signs for the lower thing. Then you add both. You get the remainder of 41. Any questions? This is your quotient. This is your remainder. Any questions here? Shall we try one more? Shall we try one more? Or shall I tell the easier way? What do you want me to do? Or we'll stop here and do the easier way later. What do you want me to do? Can I tell you the easier way?
Yes.
Easier way is very easy. That's called synthetic division. Okay. Synthetic division that you learn only in algebra 2, but that is the heart of everything. You have to learn it so well. So here, guys, I just take up the coefficients. Okay. This is long division. I will review this again next week. Okay. It's just ordinary division, right? Now, for you to see the easier way, I'll just tell that and let you disperse. How about this? 2, 5, minus 1, 7. 2, 5, minus 1, 7. I put a long block like this. Now, I have, see, x minus 2 is what? X minus 2 is a linear factor. So what is the value of x? X minus 2 means x minus 2 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 2. You're going to divide by 2. That's what it means. Okay. Now, I just copy this down. 2. Now, I multiply. Please, guys, this you need to listen. I multiply these two, put it in here. I add up these two, put it in here. Now, again, I multiply these two, put it in here. I add up these two, put it in here. Again, I multiply these two, put it in here. I add up these two, put it in here. That's your remainder. Make sense? Ananji, did you get it or gone?
No, I got it.
Oh, cool. So now, how do you write it? Meaning this one, right? This dividend, right? I can write it out reduced. This was cube, right? It became reduced now. 2x squared plus 9x plus 17. That is your quotient. Makes sense? This is cube. So 1 reduced, 2x squared, 9x, 17. Makes sense? And your remainder was 41. So I can write this dividend as 2x square, our usual methodology, quotient plus remainder by your divisor. Make sense? So synthetic division is a very easy way of performing polynomial division. Any questions for me? Arush, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's easy for you because you were taught in school.
Yeah.
Okay. So, did you all get the synthetic division? Okay. Do you want to do one or let me do one more and let you go? How about this? How about this? Suppose if I have, this is a hard one. I'll do it myself. 6x power of 4 plus 25x cube minus 3x plus 5. Okay. You're going to divide this by x plus 3. So what is my actual divisor? First, I'll see whether all the powers are present. See, one power is missing. So what do I do? 6.
0.
5, 0, minus 3, 5. I put this big block. What should I divide it with? X plus 1 by 3 means I should divide it with?
Oh,
X will be equal
1/3.
to minus 1 by 3.
Negative 1/3.
Yeah. Now I bring this down. 6. Now I start multiplying. Minus 1 by 3 times 6 is what? Minus
Yes, sir.
2. It's minus 2, right?
Wait,
Okay.
Auntie, 6 divided by negative 1/3, wouldn't that be
See, it's always this and this multiplied, ma. Minus 1 by 3
okay, yeah.
times 6. Got it? Okay. There's a mistake in the book, the way they have done. Okay. Now, after this, this becomes 23, right? Actually, we should have taken as minus. Book has given plus and they have taken, while evaluating it, they have taken it as minus. So let me take it as minus in the problem itself, guys. Otherwise, the problem becomes very difficult. Okay, now if it is like this, right, meaning I change the problem a little bit. So for us to make it easy, 27. Now what happens? I will multiply minus 1 by 3 times minus 27 is what? 9, right? Right? Guys, are you all with me? I add them together. Now minus 1 by 3 times 9 is minus 3, right? When you add that together, you get a negative 6. Again, you multiply minus 1 by 3 and minus 6, you get a 2. Remainder is 7. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
if I'm correct, the synthetic division only works when there's the coefficient of 1, right? For the first term of the, like if it was saying like x plus 1/3, it has to be like 1x plus 1/3.
Oh, yeah. This coefficient has to be 1 because, see, yeah, even if it is 2x plus 3, right, ma? Then you can do it as minus 3 by 2, you can divide it with.
Okay, yeah.
Makes sense, yeah. Yeah, that's true. So now the reduced polynomial is what? 4 is in here. So 6x cubed minus 27x squared plus 9x minus 6. Make sense? That is the reduced quotient. That's the quotient. You got it? That is the quotient. The remainder is 7. Any questions? Okay, I will stop here and redo, meaning redo in another level next week. Next week we'll have a break, but following week, guys, I'll stop here, guys. Any questions? Wait and ask. Otherwise, we can log off. Have a nice break, guys.
All right. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you,
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Auntie.
Thank you, Miss Priya. Bye.
Bye.
Maybe Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Sahana, are you okay?